All right, number 8. We want to know intervals where this function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. So that was that monotonicity term. And what you want to do is just restrict your vision left to right, okay, based on the x-axis. So you got a couple different things. If you have a graph that like has a dot on the end, a stopping point, then whatever that value is, if you trace it down to the x-axis, that would be your like starting position. Or even if it doesn't have a dot, like it turns around, like if you had a parabola on its side, okay, a solid line, solid dot, okay, then whatever that leftmost point is, that's what we're going to call our lowest or smallest value, or our starting point. So let's just say that this is B. Okay, so B would be our starting point. And then however far it goes, like if this was the arrow and it continues to go forever, then we would say it goes to infinity. Now, if, and we always put parentheses on infinity. Now, if it just goes arrows on both sides, it doesn't matter if the arrow is going up or down. And it could be going like this. We're always describing left and right where it starts and stops with infinity. So if I'm my starting point and I have an arrow head this way, then it's going to be, it don't matter if it's going up or down. Okay, this graph is decreasing, this graph is increasing, but as far as where it starts increasing or decreasing, we label that with a negative infinity because it's on the left side, it's going toward the left. And likewise, the far right side, we would label that with a positive infinity. So you do need to be able to restrict your focus reading the graph left to right. All right, so with this one, number 8, we want to know, let me see what the first part is. It's just one of one. So we want to know increasing, decreasing, or constant. And this graph is decreasing, and then it's increasing. So we have increasing on one interval, decreasing on one interval, constant on one interval, increasing on one interval and decreasing on another, increasing on 2 intervals, decreasing on 2 intervals. So those are our options. We are going to select increasing on one interval and decreasing on another. So where is it increasing? What is that x value here? So if you start at 0 and you count, looks like it's counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. Start at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I just didn't count them all. So this is -3. That's that value right there. So this guy, starting at -3 and going to infinity, is increasing. Okay, so from here going all the way over. Now where is it decreasing at? Where is it coming down? That is from the negative infinity side all the way until we get to that same point, -3. So we're going to just type both of those in. So we have increasing on, I think I need the keypad to do that bracket. Have open, closed interval. -3 to infinity. There's my infinity symbol right there. And then this is, well, I got to do the keypad. I keep wanting to type it. Parentheses, negative infinity to -3. And then we'll do the same thing here. So this guy is just flat, straight across the whole time. So this is constant, and it's from end to end. So it's constant from negative infinity to positive infinity. Doesn't change at all. So it's constant on one interval, and we're just going to say negative, actually pull up the keyboard, negative infinity to positive infinity.